Hello, my name is Gabriel Guaman, and I'm going to talk about the Rhino 3D model of a fishing vessel of 47 and 39 meters of length overall. The purpose to create a 3D model was to analyze the smoothness, the concavity, and the curvature of the hull and identify the areas of hardness and concavity points that affect the designs of the model and its future applications. The first test is the server analysis that refers to the smoothness and monotony of the curve of the mesh, where the black lines must not intersect each other and their shapes must be straight and harmonious. So, observing the analysis graphs, it can be known that on the bow, the black lines don't intersect at any point of the surface, but on the china, and especially at the base of the bow, the lines are not completely straight, which indicates a change in the monotony of the curvature. In the same way, this same behavior can be observed in the middle section of the hull base. Its pattern offset in the analysis can be improved, changing the shape of the stations. The second analysis is the max radius test. Max radius analysis is useful to detect the flat areas of the surface of the slab, and according with illustrations, the surface of the hull is completely red, describing an uniform curvature, except for some minimal and isolated areas of green and yellow color on the stern and the bow of the hull. In the lantern, it's worth mentioning that the greenish areas are due to the abrupt change in the shape of the station 2, 3, and 4 due to the presence of Chinese. The last test is the Gaussian test. The Gaussian analysis uh, is very useful to determine the change of concavity of the hull, where if the surface shows a green color, the curvature is uniform at least one direction, while the blue or similar colorations refers a concave surface typical of the narrow bow of the fishing vessels that waits until obtain an almost square at the middle section of the hull, and it can be seen in the illustration. The different views of the models shows a completely green and blue color at the surface, and a minimal red area appears uh, that indicates a convex curvature at the base of the hull between the station 4 and 5, which can be fixed by improving the shape of the stations. Thank you for listening me.